Can I frame basement walls over slab cracks? I recently bought a home with an unfinished basement and would like to start finishing it to add on to the livable space of house. Do I need to repair cracks in my slab before I start framing walls? Can I frame walls directly over these cracks and put down a subfloor? If I nail into the slab, do I risk creating more cracks and an unstable wall? For what it's worth, in my year and a half of being at the house, I have not seen any water rise up from the cracks. Question from user dlearner44 at Stack Exchange. Answer: it appears that the floor was poured after the foundation walls. The cracks look like the normal expansions cracks that most all slabs get. Assuming the walls you want to build are partition rather than load-bearing and you are not removing any supporting elements from the basement, you will have no problem. It would be best practice to fill the cracks and the gap around the perimeter with some caulking and add a sealer to the floor to fend off moisture. Again, assuming you will be covering the floor. Drilling for screws or power nailing the bottom plate of the walls should not degrade the floor or cause more cracks. Of course, if you are to screw or nail directly over a crack, it can further chip out. This is still minor. Unless you have a party of hammer-wielding friends there banging on the floor, you should be fine building your walls. Good luck. Answer from user RMDman at Stack Exchange.